estate agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 7 Barracuda Crescent in Lammermoor.
This double-storey brick home really offers something for the entire family. Situated on an 811 metre square allotment, you've got side access, room for a shed and pool.
Should we take a look?
My favourite feature about this double-storey property has to be the huge open plan living and recently renovated galley-style kitchen. Nothing has been left to chance with the design, with the stunning stone bench tops, gold hardware and servery window.
So guys, that was 7 Barracuda Crescent in Lammermoor. If you're looking for that spacious family home, only a minute's walk to the beach and in close proximity to the school, please don't hesitate to call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.